Hello and welcome to another tutorial in my web series tutorial. Okay, so let's get right into it. So another useful, very useful element is the break tag. So if you didn't notice already, making new lines doesn't really work too well. Okay, so let's test this out. So this is what the website looks like right now. And for example, let's say, you know what, maybe we want more lines between this picture and this paragraph. So, and if we went ahead and tried to make new lines like this by finding our image tag and our paragraph tag and then making a bunch of new lines, maybe this is a good enough space. And then saving it and going back to our website, you would notice that nothing changed. That's because HTML is white case insensitive. So in order to fix this, there's a handy little element called the break tag. So what the break tag does, okay, something weird happened. Okay, so what the break tag does is it basically allows us to simulate a new line. So this is what it is. It's like the image tag where it's its own beginning and end tag. So you put the / after the name and you don't need an end tag, because it's an opening and end tag by itself. So each one of these is a new line. So if we want to make 4 new lines, we add 4 break tags. And we can even add the break tags on a line like this. So we can add 4 break tags on a line and it will give us 4 new lines. Doesn't matter. So let's go ahead and save this and see if I'm right or wrong. We'll find out. There we go. So as you can see, there's 4 new lines. So that's pretty cool, right? Okay, so the next thing we want to learn is the horizontal line tag. So this is like the break tag where it's its own ending and beginning tag, but it's just called HR for, I don't know why it's called HR, but it's a horizontal line basically. And it does what it sounds like. It makes a horizontal line. So there we go. We have a nice horizontal line right there. So that's just for aesthetics if you need to use that. The other thing I want to go over is I want to talk about the head a little bit more. Not the headers, but the head. Okay, so a cool thing you can do is you can add a title to your website. So if I go ahead and save this, actually get rid of it. I'm going to get rid of it right now. If we take a look at our website right now, it's just this myfirstwebsite.html. That's just the name of the file. So what if we want to change that? You know, if you notice, if you go to like Google or something, it'll say Google up here. How do we do that? How do we make it, instead of saying, oh, google.html or whatever, well, how can we make it say just Google or my first website? We can add a title. So the way to do that is you have to do it in your head element. So make sure you're in your head element. Then you want to make a new tag called title. Name it like this, and then we can add a title between here. We can say my first website, like that. Save it, and let's test our website. Okay, cool. So now we see we can have our title here. Instead, it doesn't say .html or anything. That's our own title. Okay, so hope you learned something in this tutorial. Leave a like, subscribe, favorite, and I hope to see you in the next tutorial. Okay, thanks. Bye.